Hello everyone. In this video I will explain authorization and authentication to the ArgoCD interface with Oauth2 protocol. As in previous videos I showed between Keycloak and Active Directory already configured user federation, and we have all users from Active Directory. At the same way as I showed before in Kial and Grafana, for ArgoCD I have created inside of Keycloak new client, which I will switch to show right now all configuration of the client. It is client itself with the name ArgoCD. It is validated direct URL back to the ArgoCD itself, and all configuration yellow is the same, but important part which I want to show you is the client scopes, which I have configured new mapper with groups name. So what does it mean? I will explain right now when I will switch to the manifest configuration of the ArgoCD itself. Just remember this part, we have mapper with the name groups. And inside of realm roles, like as in case of Grafana, I have used admin and viewer. It is default roles, but this 3.1 I have created myself. But in ArgoCD we use only admin role, which only one user present inside of this role. But for what we used this groups mapper which I showed you there, I will switch to the configuration part of ArgoCD. Just remember, all this manifest which I am showing here right now will be present inside of GitHub. It is main config map of the ArgoCD, which says I will configure OIDC inside of ArgoCD CM config map. With issuer URL, it is real name infra of Keycloak. We have configured client ID with the name ArgoCD. In the secret with the same namespace ArgoCD secret will be present key OIDC client secret. If I will switch to here, we will see OIDC client secret key present here. So important part of config map ArgoCD for OIDC, we see here it is requested scopes which we can use, of course. It is not the same configuration for any application which I have used before. But this part says in a response body IT token must be present groups like as claim. With this claim we will authenticate with the role-based access control which user will be admin or not. Essential true means if in any case in a response body will not be present groups, so then authentication will be failed. And in configuration of role-based access control, actually the secret, it's not interesting. I just copied and encoded base 64 and placed inside of secret to authenticate with Keycloak, with OIDC. So inside of role-based access control config map of ArgoCD with the name ArgoCD airbag CM, I says scopes must be present there, and must be present there with the configuration this part. I will get group name admin inside of these scopes with the name group. So what does it mean? In a response body inside of ID token must be present key with the name groups, and with this key ArgoCD will parse it and try to understand really which group present there, and if this group will be present there, so it means the username is actual admin and all administrative pages will be accessible to this username. This configuration means for the group admin I map role admin, and for permissions role admin allow to any page inside of ArgoCD. So if I will switch to new incognito window, try to log in with simple username. Oh, sorry, it's not. It is simple user. Even I will open the logs to see response body. So in a response we can see groups key, which comes from mapper. This user with the name ArgoCD in a raw viewer. Actually, it means this is a simple user and don't have an access to any administrative page. We can check it, of course, in the settings. Try create new project. As we see, we don't have an access. I will close to this page and create new one because it will remember the session, and try to log in again with admin user. To not spend time, I will copy password and T01, and in the settings page, even from the logs we can understand inside of groups key present admin, and do that this user must be administrative privileges for this user. If I will go to projects, even right now we can see the projects which I have created before. Even it does not actually, even I can delete this project. I have an access. At the same time, delete this project, create new one. It works because inside of realm roles admin present T on. So that's it actually. I hope it will be